everybody, Don Gabney, Left Coast Classics. Let's go for a ride. All right, so what we've got here is a super cool 49 Woody Super 50 Estate Wagon with the wood on the top trim. It's an older restoration and it's just in really great shape. It really is highly functional. It's awesome to drive. I gotta say though, while we're shooting the video, we have a really minor exhaust leak at the exhaust manifold, so you might be hearing it on the video. We've ordered a new gasket, so we'll have that handled by the time we deliver the car, so no worries there. The car starts right up. And I'm going to take you on a nice tour. We're going to take a drive. There's hundreds of photos. There's walk-around video. We're going to show you the bottom side of the car. You'll see every square inch of this car by the time I'm done, because that's what I do. Let's start it up. We have a little bit of a leak right up here, so we're going to have that handled for you. It runs great. Nice and strong. All right, so this is the magnet. I like to do this, especially on these older cars. And we'll just go around with the magnet. Check it out. This is my first time checking it out as well. Obviously the skirts are going to be fine. Rocker feels pretty good, still holding the magnet. It's always good when the magnet sticks. And there you go. All right, well, let's take a step underside and you can check it out. As you see, it's very clean. There's no rust under this car. The frame's really solid. The floors are good. Everything looks in order. The inner rockers are in excellent shape. No rust. Get back here to the quarter, good shape. Now, given the time of day, we're going to have some glare on this side, so I don't know if you can see that, but the inner quarter is good there. And the inner rockers on this side are good as well. I shot these with a flash in case they're hard to see with the video, but they're all clean, they're in good shape. And there it is, just a very stock undercarriage on this 49 Buick. Nothing needed. Perhaps a little detailing, that's it. right, so we want to invite you to check out our great website at leftcoastclassics.com. We have a smoking hot YouTube channel with hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of cars and a lot of great videos up there at the YouTube channel for Left Coast Classics. Check us out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. You'll find us. We're easy to find.